Hi, welcome back to Midshire Telecom, the channel for all your business communication technology needs. Today we'll be showing you how to set up your voicemail on HostX Collaborate. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is access the voicemail, and there's two ways you can do this. The first method would be dialing *62, and it will ring out to your voicemail. The second method will be on the app near the top. If you go to calls and then go to voicemail and then select voicemail, it will ring out to your voicemail. You will be prompted to enter your password. If you don't know your voicemail password, please contact your system administrator. If it's your first time dialing into your voicemail, you will be asked to record your name and change your passcode. And do not worry if you forget your passcode, it can be reset easily. Once into the menu, dial option 1 to access the voice mailbox. Now from this menu, there are two greetings you can personalize. To change your mailbox busy greeting, press 2. To change your mailbox no answer greeting, press 3. And there you have it guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you need further information, please check out the training videos or give us a call on 08000 322 322. Thank you for watching guys, and just remember, we are the business communication experts.